You've probably heard a lot about a strong system next weekend by now, with potential impacts ranging from snow to rain and thunderstorms. As we get closer to the weekend, we're beginning to narrow down what's most likely to happen and what isn't. If recent history has a say, it'll end up being warm and rainy. Let's take a look at what we have going on and what is most likely to happen. This is a predicted map of the jet stream through next weekend. When the jet stream dips southward like how we see by the end of this week, we call that a trough. Storm systems develop on the backside of these troughs, and when you see it tilt backwards, or negatively, that's a good signal that a strong storm system will develop. So of course the question everyone has is, where is this storm going to track and what are the impacts going to be? For now, we've narrowed down 3 different scenarios that are most likely to happen. The first of which is that the system develops, strengthens, and ends up passing to our northwest. This would bring rain and even some thunderstorms to the state Saturday into Sunday, while parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin see a big snowstorm. This seems to be the most realistic scenario, as guidance has trended towards this in the past 24 hours. This also seems to be the favored outcome in the past several years, so we would not be surprised if that trend continues. This scenario could even bring strong to severe storms to parts of the region. Scenario 2 is what us snow lovers are hoping for, which would favor a further eastward track, bringing the snow into at least parts of Illinois. This is what some earlier model runs were advertising, but of course as we get closer to the event, models are starting to shy away from this idea and more towards scenario 1, which would favor rain across the state. A third scenario would favor an even further east track that would miss us entirely, but as new data becomes available, this scenario is looking less and less likely. It's trending towards scenario 1, which again would favor a warmer and rainier solution for Illinois. The main reason for the change is guidance starting to pull the main troughing feature associated with the storm further west due to it being stronger. This causes the entire system to track further north and west than previously thought. If the trend continues, we may be dealing with more thunderstorms than we will snow around here. In fact, some potential even exists for a severe risk somewhere in the region if the system does end up tracking further north. This doesn't mean all hope is already lost in terms of snow, but we've seen this trend before and it usually ends in rain for us. So for now, we're going to have to continue to watch trends, but the hope for snow is starting to dwindle already. Not what you want to see if you want snow, but that seems to be the trend over the years unfortunately, so nothing new. Even if trends continue and we end up seeing no snow, be sure to stay tuned for updates as some sort of impacts are likely regardless. Thanks for watching.